I'm little birdie in the sky, flapping his wings as he passes by. Two little puppies wagged their tails as they ran and played along the trails. Three little kittens playing with string, meowing and purring, such a sweet thing. Four little flowers, pretty and bright, growing tall in the sun's warm light. Five little ducks went for a swim, splashing and quacking all on a whim. Six little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell off and bumped his head. Seven little fish swimming in a school, darting and diving, oh so cool. Eight little bees buzzing around, making honey and pollinating the ground. Nine little stars shining up high, twinkling, sparkling in the sky. 10 little fingers waving with glee, count them up and you'll see there's 10, you and me.
Hey kids, don't miss out on the fun and learning. Subscribe to Kids Time for awesome videos every week.